I've brought enough vegetables for the entire neighborhood.
Oh, what in the world is that?
Tonight, the chef is me. As if.
Woe is me.
Laughs.
The agony of the onion.
Laughs harder.
I can't take this anymore.
Giggles.
Tears of bitterness.
Oh my goodness, honey, look at you. I can't help it. The onions are too strong.
Oh no! Oh, not the salt! Stop! I can't breathe! I'm sorry! Oh, wow!
Whoa, whoa, oh wow, stop! Oh my God.
Ta-da! Huh? Oh. Try it. Okay.
Water, water.
What? What's wrong?
At least we still have good taste.
Yeah, after the kitchen nearly burned down.